So we start today in Gaul. We're going a very short distance today to Unawatuna, and we're going from this lovely little boutique hotel to a five-star hotel, so completely different experience. And there might be some quite exciting things happening at the next hotel. So we're going to organize our gear, get down to the tuk-tuk, drive on to Unawatuna, and yeah, it's been a great stay here in Gaul. Okay, we've arrived. Apparently, I think the staff were expecting me at 10 o'clock, but it wasn't possible to be here at 10 o'clock. Okay, tuk-tuk, thank you, Stuti. Thank you. Oh, look at this place. Aralia Hotel. Look at these chairs, fit for a king. We drove to the hotel yesterday just to have a little look here, and we met Sumit and the general manager, Ruan, and they're just lovely people. And they said, well, come back and we're just going to do something with the executive chef here. Hello, Aibawan, Mahesh.
Yes.
Look at this. Thank you, Mahesh, Stuti. Thank you. Oh, that's nice. Quite sweet. A little bit of lime. Do you know what the flavor is? Is it
This is a virgin mojito, which is I made with a blue curacao. It's a liqueur, but it's not alcohol. So it's a smooth lime, mint, lemon juice, and sugar syrup, blue curacao, topped with a Sprite.
Okay.
It's correct?
It's okay, thank you.
Enjoy.
So here's our room, 816, and we're on the lucky 8th floor. Beautiful.
Fantastic. And this is a nice view. We love the view.
Thank you. Now it's Nayani?
My name is Nayani.
Nayani, okay, Nayani. Oh, look at this. Thank you. Thank you, Nayani. Look at the view. This is the executive chef, Clifford, and he's going to show us some beautiful dishes today, some local dishes. What are we cooking today, Clifford?
Yeah, actually I'm going to cook kottu with chicken.
First, we're going to make a curry.
Chicken curry.
Okay.
Then
Perfect.
I'll show you how to add with the kottu.
Okay.
Right.
Kottu is a local dish. It's beautiful. Michelle and I had a lot of kottu, so I could see looking at the ingredients.
Using a lot of local ingredients, that means spices.
Uh-huh.
Sri Lanka.
So what is this one here that I didn't recognize? Is this
This is
pandan?
actually a pandan leaves.
It is
yeah, that's
pandan,
true.
yeah,
Pandan
okay.
leaves.
So
Yeah.
this is the only one I wasn't sure. So we got pandan,
Pandan,
curry leaves,
curry
onions,
leaves,
chili powder, chili
chili
flakes.
pieces, yeah.
This is
Mustard
mustard
cream.
seed,
Mustard cream.
roasted curry
Roasted
powder,
curry powder, that's right.
coriander,
Not
turmeric,
coriander. This is curry powder.
curry powder, turmeric,
Raw curry powder. Yeah. Turmeric powder,
mustard seeds,
Uh,
cumin.
This is cumin seeds, yeah,
Lulu,
salt,
pepper.
tamarind,
Okay.
and fenugreek, cinnamon, tomato, green chili,
Lemongrass.
lemongrass,
Yep.
and chopped ginger, and also garlic.
Okay. Beautiful flavors of Sri Lanka, all fresh ingredients going into this dish. So, if you step me through how you're going to
Yeah,
create
yeah.
and put together, this is the chicken curry.
Start?
Step one, yes.
Yeah, step one. Okay. You had some little bit oil. Right.
So we're adding ginger and garlic into the oil just to infuse the oil with some flavor.
Some cumin seeds.
We're also going to toast off the cumin seeds
seeds.
because they mustn't be
And
raw,
also
they have to
some-
be cooked.
Yeah, no, that's all. And saute and add some onion.
Pandan leaves, interesting.
Yeah. Pandan is just
How,
for the
how much
curry.
pandan leaves? Just a little.
This about
Okay, maybe a
few
teaspoon
pieces.
or a few
And
pieces.
also curry leaves.
Curry leaves.
Put it there, put it there.
Essential flavor
Yeah.
for Sri Lankan food. The curry leaves
Yeah.
is so delicious. Goes into the oil so we can just crisp up the curry leaves.
A little bit
Mustard
of
seed.
mustard seed. Yeah, I will add. Okay, not much, just little.
Okay, so now the oil is starting to get all the
We'll
flavors.
saute it until get golden brown, like.
Okay. So we're going to be making basically a curry sauce, all the flavors together, and then with the chicken,
Right.
we'll have that essential sort of Sri Lankan flavors.
Now I'm going to add some
Turmeric,
turmeric powder,
a little turmeric for color
Some
and a
turmeric
little
colour.
flavor.
the curry powder. Right. You have to cook under medium-low heat.
Yes.
Right.
How
if
spicy-
you want,
how
you can marinate the chicken first with everything.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah, you're going to do this?
Yeah, you can do this. Yeah.
So what we're going to put? The chicken with
Chicken,
the
chili powder.
flakes also, or
No,
Black
flakes.
pepper?
No, only black pepper.
beautiful
Little curry powder.
curry powder,
Salt, pinch of salt.
pinch of salt.
Right. This is Thai, very nice.
Okay, so
Piece
we're going
of
to
chicken, yeah.
coat the chicken over. I'm going to get my hands in there because I prefer to have my hands. We're going to massage all those flavors into the meat. Okay, get a good coating. Chef would normally be using a glove for this, but we don't need to. My hands are clean.
Some green chili. 3 pieces. And some tomatoes. Now I'm going to add chicken. Put into that. Okay.
Beautiful. The smell coming now. The smell's coming now. It's absolutely beautiful.
Little roasted curry powder now.
The roasted curry powder goes in later. This is just a curry powder, which is a sort of masala already. A curry powder is like a masala, a mixture of different flavors.
Put the water.
That last powder that's going has been already
All
pre-roasted.
right, now I'm going to add some water. More, little more.
Okay.
Little more. We need gravy for the kottu. You know why I'm adding more water? Because we have to use this gravy for the kottu.
Okay.
When you make-
So the kottu will absorb a lot of the liquid, so
Yeah,
we
liquid, that's true. That's right.
need to make it a little loose.
Loose, that's
Yeah.
right. Yeah.
Did you add any cinnamon yet or not?
No problem. It's all
Okay,
right.
a little
Just
cinnamon.
get aroma. Yeah.
Okay. So how long do we cook the chicken for now?
Until the chicken gets done. 10 to 15 minutes it will be done.
Do you cover it or not?
No.
Nope. Okay.
If you cover it, it will get more water.
Okay.
Finally, I'm going to add some, tamarind water.
Beautiful lemony citric flavor. It's not really lemon, but it's citric, and it's delicious. 3 tablespoons of tamarind.
All right, that's it.
Okay. Can I taste that? Chef?
Yeah, taste no problem.
See it?
The chicken's cooked enough through now. We can have a little flavor. Oh, it's perfect.
What about the salt?
A little because when the kottu is added, it
yeah,
will need a little extra salt. So shall we put a little salt in?
Okay.
Oliver.
How are you, sir?
Here's my good friend Oliver, my brother from another mother. Okay, so that's been cooking now for about 12, 15 minutes. Chicken should be fully cooked through by now.
You want to try one piece?
Yes. Look, that's cooked all the way through. It's still tender though and moist. That's delicious. Okay, so the next stage with the kottu. So now this is the kottu. Kottu is roti,
Roti, yeah.
which is
The
which
plain
is,
roti, yeah.
just
That's right.
diced up. So
Next stage. All
So
right.
do you go
Add some oil.
onto the
Onto the grill, yeah.
grill. Okay.
I'm going to put some
Some garlic.
garlic. Yeah.
Do we need to move it or not?
Yeah. You can move it, no problem.
Yeah.
Some
Okay.
ginger,
Let's not burn the garlic because the garlic becomes very.
some onion, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Put them in
Can I do it?
golden color.
Okay.
Already can find spices.
Yeah, then after you can chop.
I'm careful because the garlic will get. Okay, a little
So, green chili.
little cabbage
And
in
green
here.
chili, little bit, and carrot, cabbage,
Okay.
green chili, onion.
Perfect.
That's it.
Okay.
Then, this is spice, chili.
Okay.
Not much because gravy also there.
Already we have the
Already
some
we have,
chili
yeah.
in there. This reminds me a little bit of Japanese
Galagamon,
okonomiyaki. Okay.
Egg.
egg is going in.
Yeah.
Mix.
Yeah, no problem. You can make it.
This is very much like an okonomiyaki as well, you know.
Oh, right, okonomiyaki, that's right.
Ooh, go down there, chef.
Is it alright?
Yes, perfect.
Some more?
So, yeah, you can.
Like, because it will be, like that. The sound should be there. Finally, we can add some green color. Okay? Okra chicken, please.
I'm teaching them everything.
Alright, then done. Okay, now I'm going to add some chicken
Okay.
gravy and the chicken pieces.
The chili is coming off there. The spices, the chili. Soy sauce? Okay. Okay, I'm going to let you take over. Okay? There we go. Ah, you're going to get a picture. I have to carry on. Get out the way.
Let me taste.
Little taste, chef.
Yeah.
Tell me if I've done a good job. Can you form a queue, please? Make a queue. Okay, a little more gravy. We're just doing a little taste now. To me, that's perfect. It's a little hot, but not too hot. Michelle will like this actually. This is done for the foreign palate.
Enjoy. Enjoy your lunch.
Clifford, thank you, man.
Welcome.
Michelle's been working hard behind the camera, but
Can you make another plate and I fill
Yeah, sure. Beautiful kottu dish, right? And with gravy. I'm going to add some little gravy.
what do you think? Good?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Executive Chef Clifford, thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.
He approves of our joint effort. I think I did most of the work, yes?
Thank you so much.
Even the boss is having a taste. What do you think, Sumit?
Excellent.
Yeah, you like it?
The first time I had,
So well made, yes?
so well made. I had, but before, this is the best one, I could say.
It's Clifford, not me, but I really appreciate what he's done today. Look at the team of chefs here as well. Everybody's tucking in, having a little bit. So this is the Aralia beachfront. You know my opinion on beaches. I mean, if you love a beach, they've got that whole private beach here. The pool, if you want pools. There's a beautiful area over there for children for a playground. How's the water, Michelle?
It's a little cool but nice.
We're still a little bit hot. We've just been cooking with Chef. But yeah, this is really nice. There's a glass bottom boat there, jet skis for rent. It's a really nice bay. We have a problem here because everywhere I go, I keep getting told to move on and move on. This is the third town we've been to. I have a letter from the tourism minister saying we can get petrol, and these guys say we can't get petrol. So this is the third town. Every time, go to the next town. And you say you don't have petrol, no? Now this is a problem because the police, they said come here. We have been to 3 towns now. We're getting further and